Boom jams, everybody.
Welcome to Weekend Whatevers.
My name is Josh.
My name is Cole.
And we are the Neanderthals.
And today, we're becoming bakers.
We're gonna make
What is it?
white chocolate cookie balls, a no-bake dessert kit. So, wait, we're not bakers? When I signed up for this, Cole, you told me that I was gonna be a baker.
It says bakers on the box.
That by the end of this, I was gonna be a master baker. I could go on a master baking baker show.
I don't think you should ever do that.
All right.
I do think that this no-bake system is probably better for the both of us.
Probably. Also,
On account that neither of us have adequate experience with ovens.
what's an oven? Part 1. Mix cream cheese and cookie crumbs until blended.
All right.
Cookie crumbs, right?
Yeah.
Cookie.
Yeah, no, we got the big bowl for that.
Right.
Big bowl, baby, big bowl.
Okay.
And how much cream cheese does it say?
Mixed cream cheese. Sure.
This is cream cheese. Oh, that was my... Oh,
It's like coffee grounds.
yeah, it tastes like coffee ground.
Wait. Where's my Chemex? We'll put it in coffee.
Oh.
Where's my Chemex? Where's my Chemex?
Oh, wait.
I can't find my Chemex.
It's in your fridge.
It is.
Grab me a spoon. Grab me a spoon, my good man. This looks amazing.
Don't worry,
I just
Cole.
love cream
I will
cheese.
spoon you. So in today's episode, we're turning cookie crumbs into coffee.
Are we? I thought we were baking.
Don't mix all of it, man. We got stuff to do.
Like make cookie balls?
Coffee cookie bowl. Yeah.
Coffee cookie balls. All right, I'll put some in this for you.
Oh, there's old coffee in here.
Oh, that's probably really old, huh?
No, not like super old. Just
It's
like
like 50 days.
what? No.
Exactly 50 days.
No, 45 at least.
Okay.
At most.
At least
At most.
45.
Crap.
Meaning it very easily could be 50.
Don't forget you have to get sprinkles in there.
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sprinkle,
Oh, that's
little
so-
star.
Sprinkles in our cookie balls, cookie balls, cookie balls. Sprinkles in our cookie balls. Gonna make some cookie balls.
Wow. That's nice.
Oh yeah, start melting that
All right,
chocolate.
I'm gonna melt the chocolate.
This bowl. It's fine.
Is that a microwave safe bowl?
I got it out of your cupboard. Is it a microwave safe bowl? Bowl?
Let's check. Dishwasher and microwave safe.
Look at that. Is this
It's how the olden times used to do it.
that's how they used to melt it before the microwave, huh?
Yep. What time does it say it for?
30 seconds.
It's going. 30 minutes, right?
Yeah, 30 minutes sounds about right.
What?
Doesn't that look good?
That looks so much better than I ever thought this would be.
Yeah, same. I think you took just the right amount of the cookie grounds. Also, how's that coming?
It's
Has it started dripping yet?
a little bit.
It's a little drippy. All right.
Oh, ew.
Oh,
It's trying.
are you gonna break your coffee machine?
No.
Josh, I didn't wash my hands, but I'm gonna start forming these into balls.
Okay. Do you have wax paper on that thing?
Oh, I don't have wax paper. You say
We have printer paper.
we have printer paper?
Yeah, we have printer
Okay.
paper.
Printer paper, wax paper, same stuff, right? Why not?
It's waxy.
It's waxy and printerish. It's jumping out of me. Careful, Josh. Balls will jump right out of your hand.
Got it.
Right there. That is
Wait.
not food safe.
Hang on, Cole. Wait.
What?
We have a problem.
Which problem?
We took out some of the cookie stuff,
Oh.
so we have to replace it
With some coffee.
with some of our coffee grounds.
Naturally. That'll actually probably make these really good. Just
Yeah,
saying.
you can't.
You can't go wrong with coffee.
No.
I now gotta mix this back.
Folgers, 1850.
This is not an ad.
Nope. Not
But
a
if
sponsor.
you ever wanted to sponsor us, Folgers, we'll just be here. Looks great, Josh.
Thank you.
Looks really good.
This smells
Delightful.
weirdly like Cocoa Puffs.
Like Cocoa Puffs? I like Cocoa Puffs.
No, but like really, give that a nice smell.
Oh my gosh, that smells exactly
It smells
like
exactly like Cocoa Puffs. Why does
Here,
it
smell
like
it.
Did you get it?
Right?
Right? Crazy.
Isn't that wild?
Ridiculous. Hang on, I can't hear you.
Okay, I'll wait. Don't worry about it. I'll wait for you to get done doing whatever you're doing that isn't what we're doing.
I hear you.
Okay. Don't worry about it, Josh. No, I want it in my mouth.
But you get it on your nose first. The coffee is done!
Oh, good.
Nice Folgers Black.
Mm-hmm. Not at all. That looks like tea.
What smells burnt?
That looks like weak tea.
There's so much in the top. Why is there...
Oh, put it back under. Put it back under. Put it back under.
I'm gonna stir the coffee.
This is not how things are supposed to be used.
Cool. Why?
I don't know, man.
Oh, but it's draining in faster.
Yeah,
I
'cause
think-
you unplugged its butt.
I think...
So, there was one day that two brothers who ran a YouTube channel together decided to bake / not bake cookie balls. And in that process, one of the brothers, the one that is very much a drag on the other brother's patience.
No, you're not.
You're right.
Oh, okay.
Pretty good?
It tastes like plastic.
That's concerning. Why did I take so much of that? Like, I kept sipping it.
I don't know.
It was just in my hands and
So this is what the coffee grounds turned into. Hot.
I bet that was
hot.
burning hot. Blow on it for a second.
Oh, wait.
I'm waiting.
No, I got nothing. Oh, I think it's done.
Good. Wow!
It's a no-bake cake pop. Oh my goodness, it's like an ink blot test.
It is. What do you see, Josh?
I see
Tell me what you see.
the end of this video.